Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with an Amateur, where I am said amateur. Today I'm really going out of my comfort zone and trying something a little bit more complicated. I have been craving this recently and so I'm gonna try it. I'm cooking, I think this is how you say it, I'm cooking Bolognese Lasagna, I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry. This is what it is. So if you know how to say that, it's Italian. This is what I'm cooking. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I will leave the link to that in the description below. But here is everything you need to be able to cook this. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, oregano, basil, salt and pepper, oil, lasagna noodles, mozzarella, and Parmesan cheese. I'm nervous, but let's get started. Instead of ground beef, I'm going to be using deer meat, but that's what we have, and that's what I'm going to use because it's cheap. By the way, it calls for a couple extra things like a carrot and celery, but I'm not adding that because I don't really like that, so I'm not gonna add it. And what I had in Italy did not have that in there, so I'm not adding it. First step is to chop the onion. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I doing? How do I even freaking do this? Oh, it stinks. Oh, I hate onions. Finely chopped, that's what it says. Okay. Step number 2 is to heat your oil in a Dutch oven or large skillet, and then to add the chopped onions and other things like carrots and celery that I didn't want. 1, whoop, 2. Hopefully EJ doesn't get mad at me for using this Dutch oven. It said to do it on a medium heat. This is so much onion. I'm nervous. I may not add it all because I don't want to. Hey Siri, what does saute mean?
As an adjective, saute means
Brown?
fried quickly in a little hot fat.
Okay, next is to chop up the garlic. Always good to have a towel on your shoulder because literally I use it all the time. Oh gosh! The onions are pretty much brown. Now I'm gonna add my garlic in there. Oh gosh, I just flung it everywhere, huh? Hopefully I haven't already messed it up. Next is to add the beef, and in my case, deer, and cook until it is brown. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, my meat is brown. That means it is time to add the 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, basil, oregano, and salt and pepper. Ugh, that was a nasty noise. Oh, it's splattering everywhere. Oh, kind of came up fast. Here's what it is looking like. Now it is time to cook for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, now it's time to cook the pasta noodles. Just have to boil regular noodle stuff. Okay, I do know how to do this. This is easy. Boil the water, add the pasta noodles. Always fill it with hot water so that it'll heat up faster and that it'll boil quicker. That's my one and only tip for cooking during this video. This is your friendly reminder to stir your sauce. It smells really good, so I hope I didn't mess it up. Okay, our water is starting to boil. It is time to put the noodles in there. It calls for 12. I may cook a couple extra just in case. Okay, my other stuff is almost done, so I'm gonna start shredding the mozzarella cheese so that I can assemble the lasagna when these are done. So it does say fine, so I'm gonna use this smaller one. Oh. Sorry guys. Apparently I'm an amateur YouTuber too. Dang it, guys! What the heck? It literally barely got me. Okay, the 8-minute timer just went off for the noodles, so now it's time to drain very carefully. Incoming. Whoa. Shredding cheese is an underrated workout. My hand is cramping so bad, and my forearm hurts. Like, I look so stupid. Oh my gosh. Please, let me know if there's an easier way to do this. It calls the oven to be at 375. My timer for this just went off. So now, time to layer it. First layer is of the sauce. This is a 9x13 dish, by the way. So first is a thin layer of the sauce. I also should have grabbed a spoon without holes in it. I don't know why I freaking did that. I'm literally an amateur, okay guys? I should have thought about that and I didn't. There is said thin layer of sauce. Next is to lay the lasagna noodles on top. Here we go. Which way do I lay them? Like this? That's what I'm doing. That's what I did. I committed. Oh gosh, they got a little folded and crumpled. I didn't have a bigger thing though. Hot, 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 hot. Second layer of noodles. Done. Now time to put some cheese. I love cheese, so I am not gonna go simple on it, especially since I didn't do the ricotta mixture because EJ doesn't like ricotta. So I'm gonna try and make up for it with the mozzarella. I'm getting cheese everywhere, oh my gosh. Okay, cheese done. Now time to add some more sauce. It didn't say a thin layer this time, so I am going full scoopage. Time to repeat the layers. Well, I ran out of sauce, so I guess don't go so heavy in the middle. And now I'm just adding the rest of the Parmesan cheese. Delish. Cover it. Oh gosh. With aluminum foil. Put it in the oven for 25 minutes. So I will see you guys in 25 minutes.
Later.
Now letting the lasagna rest for 12 minutes covered. Then it's gonna be ready. Okay. Here we go. I'm so nervous, but it looks so good. Oh gosh. Oh man, it fell apart. This one stayed together a lot better, but here's our plating. And maybe we'll do a food taste review for you guys in a second. This looks so good, smells good. I'm very excited to try it. Here we go. I'm nervous.
It looks really hot. That's good, babe.
That's actually really good. The thing said it would take me an hour and a half. I started at 3:30 and we're eating dinner at 6. So.
2.5 hours.
But this was really fun and really good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe so you can see other videos of ours. And we will see you guys in the next video. Deuces!